Hey, Billy,
So,
what's the weather?
it will be 75 degrees and partly cloudy. The wind will be a gentle breeze.
Okay, Shelly.
Yes,
What time is it?
it's 7 p.m.
Hey, Billy,
What's up?
tell me a fish joke.
Hey, Shell,
Yes,
where do fish keep their money?
where?
In the riverbank.
Okay, Shelly,
What?
can you tell me a fish joke?
Yo, Bill.
Sup, Shell?
What kind of music do fish listen to?
I don't know. What?
Something catchy.
Hey, Billy,
Sup?
I'm worried.
Worried. Well, you know what I always say about that.
Here's a little song I wrote. Might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy now. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy.
Okay, Shelly,
Yeah, what?
is it gonna rain today?
Billy Bass just told me it's clear outside. I'm just a fish, not a meteorologist. But I can tell you it's not raining here in the living room.
Okay, Shelly,
Yeah, what?
can you tell me a fish joke?
Well, that's just perfect, isn't it? Billy Bass must have eaten the joke book. I can tell you that my favorite thing to do is not be mounted on a wall.
Hey, Billy,
Sup?
why is Shelly so grumpy?
Shelly? Probably because she's a rainbow trout and I'm the star of the show. Tough life, being second best.
Hey, Billy,
What you want?
turn off the living room lamp. Hey, Billy,
Sup?
tell me a fish joke.
Hey, Shell,
Yeah,
what do you call a fish that practices medicine?
I dunno. What?
A sturgeon.
Hey, Billy,
What's up?
what should I make for dinner?
Well, I'm a fish, so my culinary expertise is limited to don't become dinner. You're on your own there, pal.
Okay, Shelly,
What?
inspire me.
Love and compassion open our own inner life, reducing stress, distress, and loneliness. Dalai Lama.
Hey, Billy,
What you want?
tell me a fish joke.
Hey, Shell,
Yeah,
Where do fish go on vacation?
I don't know. Where?
Finland. Shelly's just mad because she hasn't caught a fly in ages. Tough life for a plastic fish, eh?
It's Shelly. Thank you very much. And flying ages? What in the
My
river are you
apologies,
talking
Shelly.
about?
Didn't
I'm
mean
not
to ruffle your
catching
scales.
anything. I'm a mounted trophy, remember? This isn't exactly prime hunting grounds.